Robinson here. Today we are in our overflow unit. As you can see, we've got this brand new Range Rover SVR on site. It's had some large impact to the front end, which is going to need a lot of suspension replacement. It's also got some damaged body panels, which don't look too bad, but I'm now going to show you through what we're going to do, get up to the other end, get it drivable, and get into the workshop. Let's go. So the car's now on the ramp. We're now going to take off all the damaged parts, assess all the damage behind, to then move through to the prep stage. SVR is now complete. As you've seen from the video, there's been a lot of suspension work to this car and a lot of body and paint work. As you may know already, the body centre are the Jaguar Land Rover approved body shop, covering Jaguars and Land Rovers all the way to the outskirts of London. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe on all our social media pages. See you guys next time.